Well, welcome back to jaylian.co.uk. We've got the Nihon box for April. I can't figure out how to get in it. There it is. This is a box from Japan with anime type stuff in it. Here we go. So, a voucher for 1,000 yen. Little teeny postcard. 36 views of Mount Fuji. Fuji viewed from Gotanyama. That's cool. Okay, so first of all we've got Sakura Kurinto. It's like some kind of crisps. Then we've got Spy Family figure, which is pretty cool. Can't tell you much more about it because it's all in, I guess, Japanese on the other side. Well, that's cool anyway. A little secret gashapon, which I guess is a bit like Pokemon. Gashapon hunting is a family activity. See what's inside. A little cute little Bandai figure. Cute. My Hero Academia plastic cup. Jujutsu Kaisen bento box, which is pretty cool with all the little compartments. Then we've got a little plush figure. So I guess you either get the green one or the pink one. Oh, there's two more on there. Got me that more. Look and see which one we've got. It's got like a beanie feel to it as well. And it's got a keyring chain. Pretty cute. And then finally we've got a Sakura plate and fork, apparently. We've got a little cute little plate there and a weird little fork as well. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jaylian.co.uk.